Program number 17. A Python list, namely section, stores the section name. Sections stores the section names A, B, C, D of class 12th in your school. Another list, country, stores the contribution made by these students to a charity fund endorsed by the school. Means two variable you take it. First, section to store the section names, and second, country to store the contribution. Write a program to create a series object that stores the contribution amount as the value and the section name as the index. Here clearly mentioned that contribution amount as the values and section names as the index. So first we have to take two lists. First, section, so section equal to ABCD. Now second, country list, so that one we have to take any contribution list, any random numbers, because here value has not given. Now what is given? Amount you take as a values, so that's one, country. So data is a parameters, you take it, data equal to country and index equal to section. Index stores the index name and value you will take in the data parameters. Now index dot name equal to section, then series of the name equal to contribution. Now call to the print command. Okay, index name, section, then ABCD, the index, and this is the contribution. So name of the series is contribution. One more thing here you can do it. Call to the this, no, here already mentioned that take a list. So that's why we can, otherwise this one data equal to directly we can write 5000, 3500, 2500 here in the list, and then index equal to section places, this one we can directly mention. But here already in the question told that you take it two variables to store the section's name and then contribution as a country. So that's why you have to write like this.